Please maintain the accessories according to their types. A weekly cleaning is suggested for the interchangeable intake or tangle-free intake. Remove the main brush or the tangle-free intake. Clean the main brush or tangle-free intake. Use a dry mop to clean the slot before reinstalling. Please clean the side brushes every 2 weeks. Remove the side brushes and clean them with a multifunctional tool. Use a dry mop to clean the brush slots before reinstalling. A weekly cleaning is suggested for the following components. Remove any hair or debris tangled around the universal wheel. Use a dry mop to clean the anti-drop sensors. Unplug the charging dock before cleaning the charging dock pins and charging contacts. Wipe the bumper with a dry mop. Please maintain the accessories according to their types. After every use, please clean the dustbin. Pull the dustbin out of the robot and empty the dustbin. Remove the high-efficiency filter and gently clean it once per week. Rinse the dustbin and sponge filter under running water. Dry the dustbin and sponge filter before reinstalling. Please maintain the accessories according to their types. After every use, please clean the reservoir and cleaning cloth. Pull out the reservoir and remove the cleaning cloth. Wash the cleaning cloth under running water and empty the reservoir. Wipe the cleaning cloth plate and reservoir with a dry mop. Lay the reservoir and cleaning cloth out to dry before reinstalling.